Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made the little headband for my daughter. She wore this with her Jamaican dress, so from the leftover pieces I got a long section which was 28 inches long and 6.5 inches wide. I fold that in half and I stitch along the long side on the sewing machine, and then I turned it over onto its right sides. Then I fold the two ends and I put right sides folding together. I stitch on the wrong side, so I put that under the machine and I stitch going all the way around. You try to close the gap as close as you can, but you just want to close so you can have that nice seam for the front section. So this is what the front looked like and this is what the inside section would look like. So I took my pencil and I made some little marks. Now personally I'm just going to use the measurement on the shutter plate as a guide, but you're going to be measuring 4 equal sections so you can pass your elastic through. So when I did my stitching, this was what it looked like, so you guys can see what the right side looked like. So this is the part that we'll be showing. And then you have the inside section that has the little opening. Now where you have the little opening, you're going to just open the other section, so you have 4 little openings. You're going to take your elastic, measure around your child's head, get 4 equal sections, and then use the pin and pass it through the little sections. So this is what mine looked like when I was done. Then I moved on to making the little bow. So for the little bow, the piece that I got, I just folded in half and I stitched on the machine and I closed all 3 sections. And once I was finished with my stitching, what I did was to take the seam ripper and I created like a little opening so that I could turn it onto its right sides. Do not put it at the end, do not use that end, use one of the long sides to make the little opening so you can turn it over. You don't want to use the short side because you don't want the little stitch that you're going to be making with the needle and thread to show. So once you turn it onto the right side, use the needle and thread to close the little gap. So this is what mine looked like. And from the little leftover pieces, I just made a little gathering with the little leftover sections that I got because I didn't have much, just some little pieces that were left, and I used the needle and thread and I just wrapped it around so it could turn into a little bow. And I repeated the same process to the big section with the needle and thread, just making sure that it creates a little bow. So this is what mine looked like, and I just placed it on top, and then I just took like a little leftover, like a little strip of the material, and I just put it over it, use a needle and thread as well, and just cut off the excess and stitch it around so that it looks neat and nice. Once I was done with that, this was what it looked like. And then I just took that and I attached it to the section where the band was at, and I just used the needle and thread to stitch it on as well. So this was what mine looked like. Remember guys, you need to get the measurement of your child's head so that it's not too tight, but this is what the finished product looked like. Let me know what you guys think about this video, and don't forget to join me on my future videos so you guys can see what the finished product looked like. This was quick and easy. You can make this at home. Don't forget to like and share, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.